Tuck Me Under. As you may have seen on our website and on our Facebook and Instagram accounts, we are now doing curtains. So we have done all three in the back in this lounge area. These are a polyester front with a nice lightweight poly cotton lining. Now they are available if you want them either with a tie back or without a tie back. The choice is entirely yours. There's a little video on our website that shows you how to measure your current curtains to send us those so that we can make your new ones to fit. So have a look, see which style you like, and if you've got any questions, come back to us.